Well, welcome back, everybody. This is the 1st of August. No, actually, the 2nd of August. Sorry, missed the day. Bears Rod Shop, and back on the Jubilee. We normally don't work on Sunday. Hope the good Lord will forgive us for not trying to pull the ox out of the ditch, but this Jubilee needs to be finished, wrapped up, and gone. And so, my last video was we were making parts to repair the backer dust cover on that NAA Jubilee, and so let me turn this camera around real quick. We're getting ready. I was going to TIG weld it, but I'm low on argon, so I'm going to MIG weld it in and grind it. It'll be fine. It'll be a lot better than brazing or putting a stick weld to it. So this is the piece. I already put it on the this little filler piece right here with the two shrinker stretchers. Got a nice fit. Fixing to tack this all in and weld it up, and then we'll fill this in here, of course, and then go back to the mill and cut out the rectangular adjuster slot. And then we'll get this thing primed and painted and stuff. Just FYI today, trying to get everything wrapped up, get the axle in, get it over to the owner, get that 84 S10 Blazer over here, and then see what we're going to do with it. So thumbs up, please, subscribe. This is going to be a real short video. I won't show you welding and everything yet. Once it's all together and prime painted and rolling down the road, we will go over to where it's going to go, to Ace Hardware here in Boyd, Texas, and then Mark Munn and us will pull down the other side. He's on concrete floors. That Jubilee setting out there on the dirt scares me to death, even on good jack stands and stuff, and support. It can get away from you real quick. So you guys that are building tractors, yes, needs to be on a concrete slab, stable, and he's going to turn that into one nice tractor. So we're proud for him. And then of course we're going to be looking at that 84 S10 Blazer when it gets here, what we're going to do with it. Probably a custom interior, custom paint. He has gone through the motor, transmission, and we talked about giving it to my grandson Hunter. We don't know yet. He's only 14. He'll be 16 in a year and a half, and then he'll maybe appreciate it. But if we do, it'll be one nice cruiser for him. I think he's into like Lamborghinis. Got his heights set really high. But, of course, all kids do. All right. Give us comments. Yeah, this repair, we could have found another plate. It's really eating up a lot of time, to repair this. And I've already cut out, let me go over here real quick, see if I can turn around. Okay. And hang on a minute. This is the new retainer that holds the felt in, and we cut this out with a Makita. We have a really nice saw for sheet metal, and then I put the rest after I come in and cut this out with the bandsaw. So now then we will put this in and tack it into place so there's no drag. And anyhow, there is a lot to these old tractors. Granted, they're worth saving, and I mentioned that in another video earlier. I'm not going to get into tractors. I had a 1941 Farmall up in Ohio in our other rod shop before we moved back to Texas. I love that tractor. They're getting scary high. And most of them need to be restored completely. And so if I ever get another one, I'd get me a little Cub 41 tractor, and just put it in pristine shape and have it here on our place. But too many projects. All right, thumbs up, you guys. Thanks for all my subscribers. And yes, I got the bandana on because I know I'm going to set these whiskers on fire with the MIG welder. And don't need any fires today. Come back and visit. See ya.